Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by physically attaching the Magsafe battery to the center back of your iPhone and unlocking the device. This magnetic alignment is how data and power handshake. Once done, watch for the brief connection animation and the charging bolt in the status bar because that confirms communication. If you prefer a persistent readout, make sure battery percentage is enabled in Settings Battery. This shows your phone level and gives immediate context for how the pack affects total runtime. Next, open the batteries widget in Today View or add it to a home screen so you get live levels for both iPhone and the Magsafe pack. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and your iPhone runs the latest iOS because the system uses standard accessory APIs to report charge. Outdated firmware can block readings. If the pack has charge but doesn't appear, remove and reattach it while watching the widget and status bar. This forces a fresh query and usually reveals the percentage. To finish, if the Magsafe pack shows low charge, unplug and charge it directly via Lightning, then reattach to confirm the new percentage in the batteries widget. Once done, use normal detach and reattach cycles to let the phone recalibrate reported values. If you run into issues, restart the iPhone and then reattach the pack. This clears transient communication errors. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure you're using a genuine, compatible Magsafe pack and updated iOS. Non-compatible or outdated setups often fail to report levels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.